Aramoana's wharf has been described as the wharf to nowhere, but it's likely to be restored at a cost of about $100,000. The Aramoana League plans to raise the money, and it's asked the council to help with assessment costs.
I'd like to see from this, come out of this meeting today, a bit of encouragement from the council that we do go forward. It's been a long battle. I've come to 4 annual plan hearings.
If the full council adopts the committee's recommendation, it will spend up to about $10,000 on archaeological and heritage assessments, and it will take responsibility for the wharf's maintenance. Councillor Vandervis was the only one to vote against that. He discounts claims that a restored wharf will boost recreation and link both sides of the harbour.
This is a wharf to nowhere. This is a wharf that has no access to it, and the stretch of no access that currently exists looks like being made bigger by dock.
The cost potentially borne by the council is likely to be less than the cost of demolishing the wharf, and those are the council's only options as the asset owner. So Mayor Dave Cull says restoration is common sense.
It doesn't sit well with me that that council might decide to spend money to demolish it. Picking up on Councillor Wiley's point, when a group is offering to take that burden off us, take responsibility for the restoration, and all it will cost this council is a couple of impact studies.
The full council will consider the committee's recommendation on the 4th of November and draw a line in the sand about whether the wharf remains to be restored or is removed, either way at some cost to council. Rosie Mannins, 39 Dunedin News.